from 3 cars competing to make an accident. A truck hitting car with its trailer. Glass splashed all over the road. 2 trucks kicking a minivan like a soccer ball. Overspeeding car hitting the pole. We have it all for you on MXD Venture, so let's get started. The driver of this car was deliberately braking in front of another car on a highway. This glass delivery mini truck was hit by a car. There was glass all over the road. It took the road maintenance agency 2 hours to sweep and clean all the glass pieces. This people were lucky to see danger coming from a distance. A motorcycle rider lost control on the curve and crushed against the bus, and fellow biker ran to rescue him. The truck driver did not bother to stop for the train to pass. I guess he thought his truck was bigger than the train. This is some large hauling transporting happening on this road. I wonder where they are going to install this infrastructure. Just look at the size of this thing. The truck transporting a shipping container lost control and fall on the road. I wonder, how did this truck just decided to fall over? Luckily, those 2 guys saw it before it comes down on them. The minivan was so frustrated by these 2 trucks driving so slow and decided to try to pass between them. The man was minding his business walking on the street and car just crushed before him. Truck drivers usually makes this mistake of forgetting that they have a long trailer behind them. A tire bust from the truck almost causes serious injuries. If the window of the car behind was not up, it could have been a tragic moment. This is crazy. Where is the driver in this situation? The police was helped by this truck to catch this black car that was on the run from the police. Big thanks to this truck. The criminal was caught after a very long police chase. It is very easy to make a mistake on the road, sometimes even if you think you are right. High-speeding cars collide and push each other out to smash on the truck standing outside of the road. This is a bad accident involving multiple trucks on a toll bridge and on a very sharp curve. I hope no one was seriously injured. This road is now blocked by those trucks, and it might take hours to clear this out. How many wheels are on this abnormal truck? This Bowser truck driver is trying to force the truck where it doesn't fit. Even the impact of the smallest car can make a big truck to crush and fall over. Some people are just heartless on the road. Look at this white car did to the motorbike man. This is why I do not like this types of small and skinny cars. They're not well balanced. It was a very hot day in Japan. The bus driver decided to take a dive and cool down. I hope he was alone in that bus. This truck is a street sweeper. If there was no brake failure, then the truck driver is insane. This is a true flying wheel. Just take a look at it. Do you see how it is missing those cars? This one car just caused a multiple car accident. Just one bad driver can mess up your day. Just look at how the car at your right got behind to that other car. And usually people who cause the accidents don't get injured. Ooh, man, that is just brutal. Why some drivers just don't want to stop at the intersection? The truck pushed a car and made it to crush against the road barricades. Thanks to those barricades for preventing that car from going into the oncoming traffic and cause more accidents. What is the hell going on here? What is this truck driver doing driving like he owned the road? This is just bullying other cars on the road. He should be doing that with his size, not with these small cars. This car couldn't stop. It kept going and crushing on everything on its way. Is the driver of this minivan park his car on the railway, or the car just stuck there? What do you think happened? When it rains, please drive with caution. The roads are slippery. This tanker was really speeding and caused us serious flames. The red car did not stop at the intersection and nearly caused an accident. If you take a closer look here, it is this small car that made this truck to lose control. Luckily, the truck driver seems to have advanced driving skills. He brakes unnecessarily and got his behind kissed. A Kia Soul driver lost control and go over the road curves because he was speeding. This car lost control on a highway. Motorcycle almost crushed to a boom gate. It was a car against the tree. Who really won here? This goods train has just been derailed. This was a big mess. Large truck crushed the wall and other trucks. Ooh, my God, this is bad. The car from behind has no intentions to stop at all. The trailer got loose from the truck and crushed to a pole. This truck driver got some mud driving skills, but that day it was too slippery and the truck ended up in the bush. Overtaking without a clear vision is so dangerous. Look at this driver trying to overtake on full speed, not knowing what's in front of that other truck. Ooh man, that is a full-speed swing. Doing that with a truck of that size is just a no-no. Maybe he thought he was on Tokyo Drift movie. This truck full of concrete was too heavy for the tunnel under the road. Now one side wheels are under the road. Snow is one of the top causes for accidents on the roads. This car is not designed for drifting. Look at how it flipped over. Every time I see the train hitting the truck, I get a rush on my body. This was a 150 meters of trucks piling on each other on the snow road. I just wonder if the truck driver did not see that big train coming. The bus and the red car was supposed to let the truck pass first. Car crushed into the building so fast, you can't even see what type of car was it. Your best friend is the one who rescues you when you are in deep shit. First, when I saw this truck trying to cross the river, I thought it was going to be drowned and go with the river flow. Not all trucks fits all bridges. When driving a truck, you must know the height of your truck. This one here was a bit speeding, but no one was injured at that situation. Three trucks from the same mine crushed into each other, rushing to get to knock off to go home. But I guess everyone was late after that crush. To turn on a curve like this takes massive skills on a big truck full of load like this. I wonder how many years' experience this driver has. I am not sure how the driver of this truck keeps on driving without being electrocuted. This truck drove into electric wires. Whatever you see here, only supposed to happen in movies. The busy street called Bree in Johannesburg, South Africa exploded during rush hour. People were confused and did not know what was happening. The experts and engineers said the cause of the explosion was an old underground gas pipe. Cars were flipped over and the road was cracked open.